I have just gotten in some super fun goodies from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I want to show you what they are. I'm Pat Sloan for a little unboxing. I'm going to do 4 unboxings because the Fat Quarter Shop sent me 4 boxes of goodies, and I thought, what? I don't even know what's in them. They just said, we're going to send you some boxes of fun stuff. I thought it'd be more fun to open them and share them with you at the same time. Let me show you the boxes. They are so cool. They have new shipping boxes. Look at these, look at these. And I'm gonna get close because each one has super cute writing on it. So it begins, so in style, so in love, and so creative. You never know what box you're gonna get. These are new shipping boxes, and so it depends on what your order is, whether, which box is gonna fit in. So what I wanna do is open one in this video, and then I'll do another video for each of the boxes, and I'll show you what's in it. So we'll just start at the top. This one says, what? So it begins. Yay! I have, I think, going top down just seems more fun. You just never know. Okay, I've got to open it with my, all right, let me see. Let me go down here. You can watch a little bit here while I open it, right? That's more fun. So what do we got in here? I gotta fold. And these are so cute because look how pretty they are on the inside, all nice and white. So you can store your stuff in them now. So when you make an order, you're gonna be able to keep this and store things in it. Some nice padding. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. This is so exciting. Okay, let's see what we got first. The Crayola color boxes from Riley Blake. These are stinking cute. And look. I think I showed you this before. They come with little pattern. So whichever color box you get has a little pattern. So this is perfect. You can make this up just before Halloween or keep it. And I think that'd be cute even for fall. You don't have to have it for Halloween. What else is in here? So excited. It's tins. See the tins? Let's see. Can I get that open? They open up. I'm not going to open it up right now, but they open up, and there's multiple tins inside. It's red and white. Okay, I have to see you here for a second. Yay! So exciting. Plus, super cute Aurifil threads. These are the 50 weight. This is the Feeling Spooky color pack. Perfect with the Riley Blake, right? Perfect with these. This has purples and greens and grays. So these basic colors are just awesome for anything. Then, oh my gosh, this box it's a tote, the Metropolis tote. So I've got super neat. It's got all the states. Metropolis is a new fabric line from Basic Gray, and I love all things Basic Gray, so I'm trying to rip this open. Let me just move my box up here for a second. Let's see what's in the tote bag. There we go. Or see the tote. Oh, this is big. So you've got stuff on the back, and then on the front is the actual U.S. map with the states rather. Yay! I just love that. Love it. Okay, I have to open the tins too. Just because you're here. Are you a container crazy person like me? I cannot tell you. I love containers. Here, let's look and see. I think this feels pretty heavy. So I think there might be multiple containers in the one. Like you open the one and there's more inside. Let me see. Get it open. It's got a nice tight lid. You know how these are. Once you get it open the first time, yes, then they all come open. See? Ta-da! Look, that one has a star on the top. Oh, and there's another smaller one inside of that. Okay, real quick. We can do it, right? Let's open up. See the smaller one? These can be used all year. For me, I don't need to save them just for Christmas, but I'm going to think they're going to be cute decoration for Christmas. And there's the baby one. It says Joy with the polka dots. And this one says Joy and Hope. I think this is Sweetwater. Yeah, this is Sweetwater. Goes with their fabric line called Overnight Delivery. So I will put links to all of this and to the fabric, if there's fabric that went with those two. I think there still is. I think that's still out there. They're pretty new. So exciting. So I'm Pat Sloan, and this is a little unboxing of some goodies, some fun things, some fabulous tins and fabric and Aurifil thread and a tote. Yay! So the next video, I'll do one of the other boxes. Catch you later.